So this is the area we're going to be working on. It's just a real awkward spot in our yard. The previous owners used to have a fire pit here, and it's just become like this massive weed garden. Okay, so the old fire pit has been completely dismantled. Shane dug it all up and we pulled all the plants and weeds out, and now we just gotta clean it all up. So we got all the weeds out and got our space ready, and then we're gonna move that well into the middle. Hey guys, so I just thought I'd check in just to give you a little progress update. So it took us about 2 days to dismantle the fire pit, and this is where we're at right now. So I'll try to, with this, a nice clean slate. So I'm gonna start with these peonies. And that's what it looks like now.